Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Matt with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number 1925C. It's a nice working Nissan KPH01A15V. It's a 3,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. Matt's going to give us a quick little run around real fast. This unit is equipped with the desirable 3-stage mast, does approximately 187 inches of max lift height, plus a side shift carriage. Has like new air pneumatic drive tires and excellent solid pneumatic steer tires for a smooth ride. Awesome running LP gas Nissan 4-cylinder engine. Clean burning, can run them inside. As you can see, that tall mast all the way up there in the sky. Recent repairs plus a new PM service and a great paint job. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.